May trabaho ka na by cover by Annabel Billy Escauso Patinga. At sa yung mga nag-a-apply dyan, ito ang bagay sa inyo. Yo. Walang trabaho, ngunit ano magagawa? Ako walang wala, palamunin. Ako naghahanap pa lang ng mapasukan. Kain tulog na lang ba? Ulit-ulit na lang ba? O may pag-asa pang may mapasukan? Kahit saan ka mag-apply, huwag ka lang tambay. O may pag-asa pang makapagtrabaho habang may lakas ka pa, hanggat kaya mo pa. Yo, SSS hulugan na. Sobrang hilaan yan. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue skies. Now, when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place, and if I stay too long, I'll probably break. Dahil may trabaho ka na. Down and no more. Cry. Whoa, sweet child of mine. Whoa, sweet child of sweet child, sweet love of mine. Ako naghahanap pa lang ng mapasukan. Kain tulog na lang ba? Paulit-ulit na lang ba? Kung may pag-asa pang may mapasukan. Kahit saan ka mag-apply, huwag ka lang tambay. O may pag-asa pang makapagtrabaho habang may lakas ka pa, hanggat kaya mo pa. SSS hulugan na, yo. She's got eyes of a bluest sky, just keep the thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Her hair reminds me of a warm sea place, where as a child I am, and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Ngayong may trabaho ka na, ngayong may mapasukan ka na, SSS Mall, mahulugan na, yo.